Gates open, they're off and racing. We've got a speed scramble at the start of a race. Moving up, Red Flash throws 40 on the red, moving up by the red. He's run at up. Magalang is running on the outside now to take second. Down in 40s. Batangueña down in fifth. Is Bold Star Rising. Then here comes Penny Perfect. Agent Sarto. Then next in line is Baby Smarty. Third last is Action Sailor. Second last, Humble Tiger. And the early Taylor is Little Gem and Windy Star. Inside the last 600, Red Flash. This time by Avalalenka. Then the very close in second is Magalang. Trying to get close now in third is Batangueña. A long shot moving up the body outside. Bull Star Rising arriving to the race too. As they reach the final turn, 4 entries are fighting it out for the lead now belongs to a long shot. Batangueña, Bull Star Rising now moving up, now and catching the leader. It's now Bull Star Rising, this time by some lengths, and nearing the finish line, the favorite Bull Star Rising. Batangueña close for third between Magalang, Red Flash. Then comes Run at top, and for your Super 6, Action Sailor.
7